I came back with 3 big bags. Anti-deodorant, right? So I would imagine... someone's at the door. Sorry. Then moving on, I got myself a kitchen towel holder. The funny thing is I got this, but I didn't buy the paper towel. Oh no! Oh, this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm filming my first video in my new house. As you guys probably can hear later on, there will be lots of renovation noises and construction sounds going on, so I hope you guys will understand. A lot of us, especially my neighbors, they're all renovating, so I just wanted to quickly check in and do a haul because I just came back from Daiso. I went to the Ion Orchard branch. I was so surprised I found so many pretty good household items in Daiso, only for $2 each. If you guys watch my other videos, you will see that I have had shopped at Easybuy, Taobao, Shopee, and a lot of them actually do add up. Of course, I wouldn't say that quality is like top notch, but they are really quite usable. And of course, I haven't used them yet myself. That's just a disclaimer, but when I felt it, it felt pretty okay. Without further ado, let's get started with the first bag. I came back with 3 big bags. So the first thing that I want to get out of the way is this. So I got placemats, and these are paper placemats. Of course, they're not like waterproof or anything, but they're so cute, and they are in the shape of leaves, as you guys can see. And as you can see, my house is kind of like in a Japanese-ish theme. I got 4 of them. It's $2 each. You can't really like put it in the washing machine or anything, or even wash it with a lot of water because it's paper, so you just have to use a cloth to wipe it and try your best not to stain it. I also got some natural paper towels. So these are 150 sheets for $2. I would say pretty affordable. More cleaning things. Got some wet wipes. This one, I was quite intrigued by it, and the good thing about Daiso now is that most Daiso products actually have like an English instruction. They have like English words on it, so it's not just all Japanese. But this one, from the picture, it looks like I'm able to bag food that has very strong smell. So because you see 消臭 anti-deodorant, right? So I would imagine... someone's at the door. Sorry. These are the bags that I would just put all the smelly things and throw away. I've got some gloves. So these are 120 pieces, disposable ones. I don't see myself using them very often, but it's good to have them spare and handy. I love sweet potato, so I saw that they had these special Yakimono Foil for sweet potato. Apparently it helps to keep the umami flavor stronger. I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but I'll let you guys know. And of course, we've got some cooking sheets, silicone resin process. I'm not sure, but it sounds like it's very anti-stick and it looks nice. And the good thing about Daiso is that it has pretty much everything. So when I was there, I was just like, you know what? I'm not gonna make another trip down to the supermarket. I'm just gonna grab and go. Then moving on, I got myself a kitchen towel holder. This is only $2. Like everything that I saw on Shopee or Easybuy is easily like $7–8. It's made of metal and it has an anti-slip mat, so it's not gonna slide around your tabletop if you are gonna be like using it to pull. Also has this like kind of a stopper thing over here, so it helps you to tear your paper towels easily. The funny thing is I got this, but I didn't buy the paper towel. And I bought the paper towel like this, which does not fit into this. Oh no! Some food containers. I got them in 2 sizes, 1.7 liters as well as 800 liters. They're in like so many different sizes, like square, or the one with the clip lids. But I thought like these ones would be the most functional, I guess. And it even comes with like readings at the side. I can use them to store leftover food, vegetables, coffee. Intended for this small one to store my like coffee beans and coffee grounds. Dishwasher. I got this. This is so useful. Like I've been using a dishwasher for the past 3 days, and I realized that I have so many small little knick-knack stuff that doesn't fit into the slots of the dishwasher very well. So if you have a lot of these kind of things that you want to wash in the dishwasher that kind of houses all of the knick-knack items, and then you just throw it in there like this. I got 2 files for us to store some of like the warranty cards as well as the instruction manuals. $2. Oh, this. I realized that, you know, cooking rice in a rice cooker, especially on days where I want to eat brown rice and Matt wants to eat white rice, it's going to be really difficult because I only have one rice cooker. So I saw that they have this microwavable rice cooker for only $2. I mean, it's enough for one portion. I'm not sure how this is going to work or how the rice is going to taste like, but I'm very excited to try, and it's $2, so I was like, there's no harm just trying, right? More storage bags. These are Ziploc bags, 30 pieces for $2. Got myself a brush because I need to scrub the floor with this. I can scrub the kitchen sink, scrub the floor, pretty much scrub everything, I think. There's also this. It helps to clean off water stains in bathrooms and toilets. You know how like after you wash your hands or your guests come and then like there are water stains on the thing, it's not as shiny. You can use something like this. Lastly, I have this, which is a cute little detergent cleaner thing, but it says used in places where you don't want to use detergent. So I don't know how this is going to be like, but apparently it's good for even baby toys and stuff, so it's going to be non-toxic. You can also clean like your living room tables and stuff to get rid of all of the germs, grease and everything. So that's pretty much it, my Daiso haul. Let me know in the comments box down below if you have any amazing Daiso household goods recommendations. I would love to go and try it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!